If you're working in SurveyMonkey and you need to merge pages in your survey, this video is going to make it quick and easy. Maybe you added an extra page, maybe you want to combine questions, or maybe you just want to clean up your survey so it flows better. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps to move questions up and delete the extra page safely. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the home page, click on Survey to get into your survey dashboard. From there, open the survey you want to edit. Now, go to the section where you want to merge the page. This is the page you want to remove after moving its questions, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. Then click on More Actions. In the menu that appears, choose Delete Page. Don't worry, you're not permanently losing your questions yet, because SurveyMonkey gives you an option to move them first. After clicking Delete Page, select Move Questions to the page above. This is the key step that merges the content of the current page into the page before it, so your questions stay in the survey without being lost. Once that option is selected, click Delete to confirm. SurveyMonkey will move the questions and remove the page, which effectively merges the two pages together. After that, review your survey to make sure everything looks correct. The question order still makes sense, and your page breaks are exactly how you want them. This is a really useful trick when you're trying to simplify a survey, improve the user experience, or reorganize questions without rebuilding the whole form. And that's it. You've now learned how to merge pages in SurveyMonkey by moving questions up and deleting the extra page. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.